Messi. Oh. Messi!
Messi! Are you kidding me?
Work of art!
This man is absolutely mainline!
Hello people, this time I got a little quick summary of the La Liga match between Real Madrid and Elche. Real Madrid got its third victory in one of many without Cristiano Ronaldo, who the team has not really missed thanks to the ridiculous firepower. On this occasion, we have goals by Ilarramendi in the first half, making this his first goal as a merengue. Congratulations go out to you, my friend. You're having a great season. Now, put that aside. Second half comes around and we get to see a magnificent golazo by Gareth Bale from outside the box. No way to block that. I will get out of the way if I see the ball coming at me that fast. Of course, given that I even have any time to react at all. Finally, Isco makes an appearance. This time to seal the deal with class. Somehow, even with no angle to shoot, he gets the ball in the net to put Madrid up by 3. This was probably too much punishment for Elche, even though they did show some good workmanship at the Bernabeu. They also seemed like they had a clear lack of edge. Now, what's the aftermath? Another 3 points for Real Madrid to go on top for at least a few hours. Now we wait for Barcelona and Atletico. This is the Liga where you cannot have the luxury to blink, because if you do, by the time you open your eyes, you will find yourself in the 3rd place. Crazy, ridiculous. Who said it was a Liga of 2? This is a Liga of 3. Hopefully next year it will be of 4. That might be pushing it. Anyway, that's it, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.